Introducing the only rigs that run on caffeine and class, the all-new semi-truck espresso machines, built for the bold, wired for the wired, chrome-plated, stack-loaded, morning-ready. Whether you're hauling freight across state lines or dragging yourself to the breakfast table, this beast delivers one thing: high-octane espresso with a full tank of attitude. From sleeper cab to kitchen slab, this ain't just coffee. It's a midnight restart in a mug. Dual stack shot delivery? Check. Grill front group head? You bet. And it's built with the precision of a logbook and the flavor of a truck stop diner before the health inspector showed up. This is more than a machine. It's a lifestyle appliance for caffeine cowboys and diesel dreamers. The road might not start until the rig warms up, but the day doesn't start until this one brews.